Hi friends, Alok here. Wanted to share a prone sequence with you. Thai Shiatsu, just making sure that their head is comfortable. Sometimes people can use a pillow under the chest to make sure that the neck is comfortable. And before you start, always grounding, invoking that spirit of loving kindness and metta. The feet are amazing position here to use some pressure, so you can use the fists, of course, starting with soft fists, and then you can get the knees in there by coming onto all fours and just walking your knees side to side. I'll be moving a little faster in here than I would in a normal massage, so just showing you different options to work here. And then we can start to walk up the calf with straight arms using the palm and just moving from side to side. Make this a dance, nice and slow, being careful as you get to the back of the knees. That can be really sensitive. Another option is to use the feet in the calves, and then we'll also use the feet in the hamstring here. So as I step forward, I can hook their foot in front of my shin and just use that to hold the foot as I move up the hamstring. So I'm directing down and a little bit away to create some traction, nice deep pressure into the hamstring, all the way up toward the glute. I'm doing a little sway, and then back down. Again, you can move nice and slow here. I'm just moving a little faster. Nice, and then just shake and let that go. You could do that on both sides, and then we'll move into the glutes, where we bring the knees just below the crest of the pelvis, come onto all fours, and then we can go from side to side here, just moving your knees to different points in the glutes. Nice way to release. And I can sit back and use my palms into the lumbar spine. And here I'm just moving up. Each time I lift and bring my shoulders overhead. Yeah, nice to have the arms by the sides here. And sometimes you can even get a little crack or chiropractic adjustment. Nice. Probably about the halfway, don't go all the way up. And then from here, come off and just getting into the traps. So I find that I can do it in a lunge, or I can do it standing here and just getting from side to side, working out those traps. Beautiful. And then so once you've done both sides, you'll ask your friend to place their hands on the floor next to their chest, and then just grab under the hip bones, deep breath in, pressing up to the hands and knees. You'll help pull them back into a child's pose. So from here you can also work into the low back a little bit, just grounding the hips, and then ending with a Thai chop, chopping down both sides of the spine. Then you can get into the glutes as well. And then just brushing the energy down. Try out that little sequence with a friend. Hope that helps. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.